How to remove or hide Meta AI on WhatsApp Official Method 2026. Ever since Meta AI arrived on WhatsApp, your chat list might feel a bit more crowded than you'd like. Whether you're worried about your privacy or you just prefer a clean AI-free interface, you aren't alone. Today, I'm going to show you the official, safe way to remove the Meta AI chat and hide that colorful button from your main screen so you can get back to messaging without the digital distractions. Hi everyone! Meta's new AI assistant is now integrated directly into WhatsApp, appearing as a small circle above your new chat button or as a dedicated contact in your list. While it's a powerful tool, it's not for everyone. In this video, we're covering how to delete the AI chat and, more importantly, how to toggle off the entry point in your settings. Let's get right into the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Deleting the chat. If you've already interacted with Meta AI, it will appear in your chat list. To remove it, simply long press on the Meta AI chat thread, just like you would with any other conversation, and tap the delete or trash icon. This clears the history and removes the thread from your view. Step 2. Hiding the Meta AI button. For many users, a small colorful circle still appears above the plus or chat icon. To hide this, open WhatsApp and tap on your profile or settings. Next, go to the Chats section. Look for a toggle labeled Show Meta AI button. Simply switch this off. Note that if you don't see this toggle yet, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, as Meta is rolling this setting out gradually across different regions. Step 3. Clearing the data. If you want to ensure your previous prompts are gone from Meta's memory, you can go back into the Meta AI chat before deleting it and type /reset all A's. This is an official command that clears your context within the assistant. Here is an expert pro tip. If you find yourself accidentally triggering the AI when searching for contacts, try using the filter buttons at the top of your chat list, like unread or groups, first. This narrows down your search and keeps the AI suggestions from popping up in the search results. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is now back to its classic, simplified look. If this helped you declutter your app, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Are you a fan of AI in your messaging apps, or do you prefer to keep things manual? Let me know in the comments below.